So I'm gonna replace the cam plugs on this 2008 Mercedes C300. For this model W204, there's a vacuum pump, so there's only 2 plugs that you got to replace. The kit comes with 2 small one and 1 big one, but you don't need the big one for this. So you just need like a flat, and you kind of let's try to set the camera here so I can kind of so it's basically just need a flat kind of yeah, it's coming loose. There we go. Once you get it loose like that, just try to there we go, the all ones. Take out the cam plugs, and if you want to kind of clean the surface area, make sure there's no dirt in there. And then with the new part, apply some multi-purpose grease on it. I got mine. Kind of lubricate it around the cap, the plugs, and just to make it going in smoothly for that. And you just kind of want to put close. Don't just make sure to just like that, and then when it's in, make sure it's in, and then you just want to push it in. Okay, make sure it goes in all the way and tight. There we go. So oil won't leak out. Should be nice and flush like that. Okay, that's all to it. Nice new plug. It'll be right here. This is the next one that we gotta take out. So then again, you wanna go in with your flat, kind of pry it. I'm using a small flat, but if you got a bigger one, you can kind of use it too. What you wanna do is just kind of make sure to have it like open. Kind of pry it a little bit to make it loose. Okay, so once you get it loose like that, with the gap right here, I'm not kind of see it though, but there we go. Right here, once you get it loose, you can just kind of pry it open. Right here, just gonna pry it open. Just push it open like that. Okay, that's the old part for that. We're gonna go ahead and take the new cam plugs. Okay, and what I did is I apply some multi-purpose grease around it so that I could kind of so that it could kind of go in smoothly, and you want to make it kind of flush before you do anything to it. Don't kind of force it or so. Okay, when it's kind of in like that, as you kind of see, it's right here. It's kind of in. It's not all the way in yet, but you can kind of use a little bit more force to make it all the way in. Cut up, push it a little bit, and then yep, and then there you go. You kind of see it with the black and okay, and that's how you do the cam plugs on a 08 Mercedes 300. Like I said, this kit kind of came in with 3 plugs, 2 small ones and a big one, but for this model it has a vacuum pump for that, so I don't need this one. I only need 2 small plugs, and the vehicle without the vacuum pump, you will need all 3, which is this part right here. Okay, I hope this will help you on doing it yourself on your vehicle. Thank you.